So today we are surviving the snowstorm. And
happy anniversary!
Yeah, 1 year, 1 year. Let's go. What do you have to say about the snowstorm? Was it unexpected?
No, but I will say something unexpected. Ooh! Okay. So we're going into the woods and hopefully not getting shot.
Yeah. Those turrets are like those business turrets from Fortnite
Those
back.
Nazi.
We're jumping. Screw this. I'm dead. That was weak.
I don't care. Do we actually make camp?
Yep.
Okay. This should work. This giant log here.
Oh wait, that camera's not really pointed at us.
Oh no. Only if we can grab that. That might be good.
Oh, this one right here.
Yeah. Let's see. I'm scouting for good sticks. It's a big one.
I got it.
Oh gosh.
Can it hold me up? The question we've all been waiting for.
It works.
It really works.
Can make some nice cinnamon toast crunch with that.
That's what I call growing.
Wow.
Let's go. Yippee-ki-yay, guys.
Stay tuned, which you've probably already seen, us breaking the PA4.
My hands are gonna fall off.
We need to make it to the valley. That's where camp is.
We're Shiver Me Timbers.
Okay. I kind of want to climb on top of it.
No.
Let's go under our shelter.
Imagine if this just fell on us.
I'm comfortable.
Well, my fingers are gonna fall off.
You ain't getting that one. And guys, like the video and comment. I know where you live if you know where I live.